Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, this problem of fighting, we have to understand that fighting spirit is there in everyone. You cannot check it, you cannot stop it. We do not say stop. The Mayavadi philosopher says they will stop this thing, but that is not possible. You cannot stop. Because you are a living entity, you have got all these propensities, how you can stop it? But it should be utilized properly, that's all. You have got the fighting spirit, how to utilize it? Yes, Narottam Das Thakur recommends, Krodh Bhakta Deshi Jane, those who are envious of God or God's devotee, you can utilize your anger upon them. You can utilize. The anger you cannot give up. Our business is how to utilize it. That is Krishna consciousness. Everything has to be utilized. We do not say that you stop this, stop that. No. Krishna says, Jat karosi, Jat juhosi, Jat asnasi, Jat tapassasi, Kurusya tadmodarpanam. Jat karosi. Krishna does not say that you do this, you do that. He says whatever you do, but the result should come to me. So here the position is that Arjuna is to fight not for himself, but he is only thinking in terms of himself. He says, Te avasthita pramukhe dhartarashtra janeva hatyana jijivishama. They are my brothers, relatives, they die, we do not wish to die. Now they are in my front, I have to kill them. So still he is thinking in terms of his own satisfaction. He is preparing the background, how materialistic person, they think in terms of personal satisfaction. So that has to be given, not personal satisfaction, Krishna's satisfaction. And that is Krishna consciousness. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter. You have to taste it, whether you are doing it for Krishna. That is your perfection, not only perfection, that is the perfection of your mission of human life. This human life is meant for that purpose, because less than human life, the animal life, they are trained, perfection of sense gratification, personal satisfaction. They have no such feeling that other animals also, when there is some eatable, one dog, he will think, how I can get it. He will never think how other dogs also will be able to take it. This is not animal nature. Animal nature means their own satisfaction. There is no question of my friend, my family member. They do not share even their own children. You might have seen. If there is some foodstuff, the dog and the dog's children, everyone is trying to take in his own side. This is animal. So when this thing is changed for Krishna, that is human life. That is the distinction between animal life. No, that is very difficult also. Therefore the whole education is there. Bhagavad-gita, how to teach people act for Krishna, act for God, not for your personality. Then you will be intact. Jagyartha karma annatra karmayam bandhana. Anything you do, it will produce some reaction, and you have to enjoy or suffer that reaction. Anything you do. But if you do for Krishna, there is no more reaction. That is your freedom. Yoga karmasu kausalam. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gita. Yoga, when you are in contact with Krishna, that is the secret of success and this material working. Otherwise, whatever you are doing, whatever you are working, it will produce some reaction and you will have to enjoy or suffer. So, yeah, again, the same thing, Arjuna is thinking in turn, na chaitad vidma kataranna gariyo. So he is perplexed. Which one, which side will be glorious? I shall stop fighting or not fighting. In the next verses it will be said, when you are in such perplexity, what to do and what not to do, so in order to get right direction, you must approach the spiritual master. That will be done. In the next verse, Arjuna will say, I do not know, I am now perplexed. Although I know it is my duty as Kshatriya to fight, still I am hesitating. I am hesitating in my duty. So therefore I am perplexed. Krishna, therefore I submit to you. Formerly he was talking just like friend. Now he will be prepared to take lesson from Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,